In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change folder permissions in Google Drive. With just a few clicks, you can control who can view, comment, or edit the files inside a shared folder. This is incredibly useful whether you're collaborating on a work project or simply organizing your personal files. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, the one that owns the folder you want to manage. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly listed on your Drive homepage. Next, locate the folder you want to change permissions for. When you find it, right-click on the folder name to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Share. A window will pop up showing everyone who currently has access to that folder, along with their permission levels. You'll also notice a field where you can add new people or groups by typing in their email addresses. Now, let's focus on adjusting the permissions. Next to each person's name, you'll see a drop-down menu that might currently say Editor, Commenter, or Viewer. Click on that drop-down to select the level of access you want to assign. Here's a quick rundown of what each role means. Editor gives someone full control. They can open, edit, move, or even delete files inside the folder. This option is great for teammates working on shared documents. Commenter allows the person to view and leave feedback without changing the actual content. Perfect for getting input while maintaining control over edits. Viewer means the person can only look at the files. They can't make any edits or comments. This is ideal when you just want to share finalized documents or reports. Once you've chosen the appropriate permission level, you can also decide whether to notify collaborators about the changes by checking or unchecking the notification box. After you're done adjusting permissions, click Done at the bottom of the window. Google Drive will instantly update the folder's sharing settings, applying your new permissions right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed folder permissions in Google Drive. It's a quick but powerful feature that helps you stay in control of who can see, comment on, or edit your files. Regularly reviewing your folder permissions is a smart habit, especially if you collaborate with multiple people, to ensure that only the right users have access. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials for more easy to follow Google Drive tips.